School lunches are a huge part of growing up, but how do schools make sure that kids are getting the freshest and healthiest meals possible? Here in the Mead School District, they have a solution.
I think that getting healthy food in front of kids at young ages is an important thing to help develop healthy behaviors.
Mark Oswalt is the Assistant Director of Nutrition Services for the Mead School District, and he helps design meals for schools like Northwood Middle School.
We have a big passion for healthy food. We want to put the highest quality product in front of the students as possible so that they can get a good experience with it. Kids tend to eat more fresh produce if they're the ones who choose it, so we like to give options and choices to the students.
I've had meetings with parent groups, and they said, yeah, my kid goes to the grocery store and says hey, I saw that red pepper. We have that at school. Can we buy some?
Kim Elkins is the nutrition director for the school district, and she likes offering foods that the kids probably haven't tried before.
We've done kale chips, which was interesting because nobody on our staff thought kids would eat it, but they did. They would take handfuls of kale chips on their trays and would love it.
Mead School District participates in a Harvest of the Month program. The district partners with Link Foods to get freshly packed, hyper-local food delivered once a month.
We really do try to focus on bringing the high-quality Washington products into the schools, and then this Harvest of the Month is our way to bring the really local, really fresh, picked within a day or so of service. That's our way to get those foods into the school.
All right, time to get back in the kitchen to prepare this Harvest of the Month, locally grown asparagus and radishes.
So how long have you been working here, Shannon?
Almost 20 years.
20 years?
Yes.
So that's a good career. Why do you like it?
I love the kids.
Are you a grandma?
Yes, I am.
I get a sense you're a great grandma.
Yeah, I'm really good. I'm the fun grandma.
How long are you guys gonna roast this stuff for?
Till it's done.
All right, let's see what the kids have to say.
Did you have the asparagus today?
Yes, indeed, I did.
What'd you think about it?
It was really good, not gonna lie.
I love asparagus. I love vegetables in general.
It's healthier food and it's just better.
It tastes better than it would processed food.
I think it's good for kids to know that veggies can be good too.
It feels good to know that I'm eating something locally and it's not like packaged.
And they're really good.
And they're really good?
Yes.
In 10 years, those kids that were in elementary school will be graduating and they'll have better food habits.
If we can get the high-quality food in front of kids when they're young, then we can help establish the healthy eating behaviors for a lifetime.